Breathing is a very powerful technique to make you feel calm and focused. It is actually the easiest thing to focus on when you're a beginner at meditation. So in this video, I will show you how to train yourself to focus on the breath. It's much easier than you think, you'll see. So you can sit down or lay down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. It's better if you put your hand on your belly. Relax your shoulders. Keep breathing naturally. Just feel the air going in and out. And set the intention that for a few minutes you're going to focus all your attention on each breath. For sure, thoughts will pop up in your head. It's okay. Just notice when it happens. Don't follow them. And gently bring your mind back to your breathing. On the inhale, feel the air going through your nose, filling the lungs and rising your belly. Focus all your attention on the breath. Try breathing more deeply now, slowly. We're going to inhale for 4 seconds and then exhale for 4 seconds. Now, take a breath in and let it out. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Again. Inhale. And exhale. Now breathe naturally. Very good. Just focus on the air going in and out. Feel the air moving through you. Good. Now we will spend a little longer on the exhale. We will inhale for 4 seconds, then exhale for 6 seconds. Take a deep breath. Now exhale. Good. Again, take it in and out. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Take it all out for as long as you can. And come back to normal breathing. Feel your breath as it comes in and goes out. Now, for the last part, we will try to hold the air for 4 seconds. Then we exhale for 6 seconds. You can do it. Go. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Again, inhale. Hold the air. Now release. Last time, inhale. Stop, hold. Try to hold it longer. Now exhale, let it all out. Very good. Congratulations, you finished this breathing exercise. I'm proud of you. If you'd like more videos like this, Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.